This is our neurographic self-portrait. So we start with our image, we color all over the back, and do our transfer. We usually do this in 8th grade. So if you're an 8th grade student, you've probably done this with me before. You color on the back of the image and then place it down and go over it with a pen or a pencil. I slow the video down here so you can see how the transfer is going. And then we trace it with a Sharpie. Next, we are going to do Neurographica in the background. If you're in 8th grade, you've done this before. This is a slowed down scribble scrabble. So I do it in real time here for a moment just to show you kind of how slow I'm actually going. Then speed up the video. Now, if your marker is drying out, it needs to go to marker rehab. That means that you put it point down in the cup. Make sure they're all point down when they go to marker rehab. That way the ink can get down the marker and we can use them again. A lot of times they're not all the way dried out. It's just that the ink needs to settle to the bottom again. After you've done your slowed down scribble scrabble, you're going to draw 5 lines radiating out from your image to the edge of the page. These can be straight, mine are straight, or wavy, however you like. Next, you are going to put 8 different patterns or designs inside different pieces. So choose 8 spots that you would like to design. It can be a pattern or it can be a drawing. It could be its own composition. I chose to do mostly patterns and some designs with geometric and organic shapes. Next, you're going to write 5 words that describe you. Make sure that you touch the top and the bottom of the shape with your word. So here I wrote educated, and each letter touches the top and bottom of the shape. Same here. I am writing the word caring, and I touch the top and the bottom of the shape. Next, I decided to go around my figure with a Sharpie, and it took a lot of Sharpie, so it had to go to marker rehab and come back. So next we're going to color these with crayon, and you're gonna kind of create depth with your crayons. So we want to layer. You can layer with crayon and color pencil. I'm using crayon only, and I chose a color scheme. I chose to go with cool colors, so green, purple, blue. At the end, I do add some warm colors to my figure and a little bit in the background. I'm using a white crayon in the center, and I'm pushing down hard in the corners of each shape so that it has some value. You'll notice that I do repeat colors throughout the background, but I'm trying not to put the same color right beside each other. Then I go in with a Sharpie and just thicken up and bring forward some of the designs that may have gotten lost when I colored over it. So I am coloring in the background of each word, each design, and then going back over it with Sharpie to bring it forward. This part does take a long time. I've sped up the video a lot. So always remember that this is, 80% sped up. So these do take quite a while. And I'm using crayon and color pencil here. Then I move on to the figure. I wanted to do the figure in opposite colors in the background, so I chose warm. Enjoy.